Good morning, Mavericks. Hope you're having a great day. Today is Friday, November 7th. I'm Ava with your MAVision News. It's finally your time. We are urging all seniors to get their senior photos done before the holidays. Book your sessions now. Deadline is November 30th. Our Fine Arts and Social Studies Department wants to invite everyone for our Veterans Day program on Tuesday, November 11th at 6 p.m. in the dining hall. If you know a veteran, whether past or present, who might be able to attend the program, please share their address using the link so we can send them a formal invitation. Any girls who are not currently in the soccer athletic period and are interested in trying out for girls soccer this year, you must attend their mandatory meeting in order to try out. This meeting will be held in the dining hall from 2:45 to 3:15 on Tuesday, November 11th. It's the start of the season of giving. Memorial students and faculty donated canned goods to help their community. Good job, Mavs.
Hi, this is Mrs. Pearson with the Canned Food Drive update. We have great news. So this year we have redeemed ourselves. We have over 400 cans and we are still in the works. We haven't even counted all the ones in every single box. That's just the one with students donating. It's because they want to give back to our community. All of these cans go to the city of Pasadena, and the city of Pasadena donates to the food banks that are most in need to help our families in this community.
So just in case you didn't know, all the food that we collected goes to the Pasadena Food Pantry, and it helps all the people local in Pasadena. Really important because there's a lot of people that are losing their SNAP benefits or that money is just tight. So the food bank goes to help them, which means they help everyone in our community. If you can still donate, drop it off at the food pantry because it's a really great charity to help.
I want to give a huge shout out to all the student organizations that help with the canned food drive, especially this is put together by our National Honor Society, our Student Council, Interact Club, and Taffy. Our teachers involved with this have helped so much. Mr. Anderson, Madam Christensen, Miss Robles, Miss Ritchie, and Miss Owens, thank you so much.
Welding students from all over the district came to Pasadena Memorial in hopes of earning certifications to get them closer to their career goals.
My name is Andrew Tugwell, and I'm the welding instructor here at Pasadena Memorial, along with Chris Basilio. Today we had our second welding competitions here at the school. This one was the biggest one so far. We had almost 200 students come in from every school in the district that has a welding or an ag program. And the students are going to weld in 4 different positions, 1 with a T-joint, 2 with a T-joint, and position 1 with multi-pass groove weld backer and open root. And each one is progressively harder. The kids are going to earn certifications. The more complicated welds, they'll earn some prizes like new welding hoods or caps and gloves, safety equipment.
My name's Carlos. I'm with Pasadena Memorial Welding. This is basically just a rundown of how it's working today. So we got 4 levels. They're called different plates of metal. And basically, they're going to come in, get in their booth, weld, and then it's either going to be a pass or a fail. They'll receive their certification once they get it tested and checked, or they're just going to get a handshake saying, sorry, you failed.
I'm Enrique.
I'm Brian Robles.
And I'm from CTHS.
And I'm from San Rayburn High School. The certification, they can help you with getting more experience, getting used to the welding, different type of levels. In the future, it can just help you get a job.
I'm Maddie Martinez. I'm representing CTHS, and I'm a senior. I passed visual. I'm still waiting to see if I passed the x-ray, but we don't get the results until a week from now.
My name is Xander.
And Chato.
Yeah, I passed my test 100%.
Yeah, I passed my visual. I don't know x-rays.
Visual, yeah. Visual x-rays, we don't know yet, but visual we passed.
So the reason I got into welding, my ag teacher, David Gutierrez, actually sat with me and he was like, Julian, how tall are you? I'm like, I'm 5'8". And he was like, Julian, do you see yourself in basketball anytime soon? Like, do you think you're going to go to the NBA? I was like, no, sir. He was like, let me teach you something that's you can actually use in life. And so that's why I'm here right now.
Memorial secured their second district win in a row with a victory over Rayburn. Thank you, seniors, for your dedication the last 4 years.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling find, waiting here to find the sign that I can understand. Yes, I am. Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I should take it slow. And I go, and I go, and I go. Lovebirds just knock the window. I don't need love no more. Oh, so I'll be fine. Living mine, take it down.
Tonight is our Maverick football seniors.
Wear red, white, and blue and come out to support our Mavericks tonight in Alvin for the last game of the season. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. The post of the day comes from the Houston Rockets, who said, "You won't want to miss this one." If you would like to be post of the day, follow us at PMHS_MAVision. That's all for today, Mavs. Thanks for watching and happy National Jersey Friday. See you next time.